is more responsive because that was 120 and this was 13. So there's obviously going to be that difference, but for the most part, if you're trying to game on a budget, or if you just want a cheap gaming keyboard, this works, man. Like, I'm telling you. And it has, oh, what does that do? Look at there's the back of it. They have these two little things on the back so you can lift it up a little bit. I don't like it like that. I like it down. But yeah, but yeah, if you want a cheap gaming keyboard for cheap, like I said, $13, I would honestly recommend this one. You know what I mean? It's not gonna last you forever. It's not the quality of a mechanical or a more expensive keyboard, but in my opinion, it is really good.